Hey guys, let's continue the rest of the topic of national population policy in India. Yesterday we studied the need, okay? Then after that we will move to the next point, okay? And before starting, you all know what to do. Like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, so national policy of population, okay? After need you will write this point. So the first point of this is first national population policy 1976. Okay, I have already told you about this point on introduction. Let's see the purpose. Increase legal minimum age of marriage. Okay, increase the legal minimum age of marriage. So for male before policy, it was 18, and after policy the legal age of marriage became 21. For female before policy it was 15, and after policy the legal age of marriage became 18. Okay, so this was the main aim of national population policy 1976. Now the national population policy 2000 latest version. Okay, so this latest version not only focus on fertility and maternity rate, but it also deals with, means it just not focusing on the population but also pay attention on several points also. Let's see. Give great attention to women education, improve health and nutrition, pay attention on children's survival and health. Okay, focus on family welfare services, encourage family planning, planned parenthood, health care to all rural and unprivileged groups. Okay, these are some important points. If you don't remember the whole sentence, you can write just women education, health, nutrition, child survival, health, family welfare services, family planning, health care to rural and unprivileged groups. Okay, if you just in case you don't remember. Let's move to the next point. Next point is objectives of national population policy 2000. Okay, objectives means basically goals. Okay, so just we will just divide the goals in three portion: immediate, mid-term and long term. Okay, let's see the immediate goal of this policy. Immediate goal was to fulfill the needs for contraception, health infrastructure and health personnel. Basically on the, they will focus on health infrastructure and health personnel. They will improve the healthcare quality, and to improve the integrated service delivery for basic reproductive and child health care. To the child and to the mothers we will provide services whatever according to their needs. Okay, so let's study the next, which is midterm goal was to bring the total fertility rate to replacement level. Total fertility rate means average number of children per woman. Okay, average number of children per 10,000 women basically in a particular area. Okay, in a particular limited area we will just have the number of average children per woman. Okay, so I will just show you a diagram. Okay, so here just imagine this is a particular area. Okay, this tiny page is a particular area, and in particular area we have 1,000 women and 1,000 men also, and they just have children, and they are from a generation. Okay, suppose this is a generation, 1,000 women and 1,000 male are belongs to a generation, and they will have their child, and after their child will grow and they will become an adult and get married, and they will have their own child and make their own generation. So this generation is just replacing their number to their next generation in a same particular area without going to any other place to get married and make family. So by doing this, by replacing their generation number, one generation number to the next, they are just controlling the population. They will not increase the population or decrease the population. So replacement means their generation number, they are replacing their generation number to their next generation. They are making an another generation, future generation. So This is the meaning of total fertility rate replacement. So they will just have to control this in a particular area. Okay, if they are having 1000 women, they make sure that the next generation will also have 1000 women to make another generation. Okay, so this is called total fertility rate replacement. Okay, so we will have this in by 2010, so that we just control each and every place's population. They will just not increase or decrease, they will just remain the same. We will have to achieve the goal. Midterm goal was that, and long term goal was to achieve a stable population by 2045. Okay, now next point is national socio-demographic goals for 2010. Socio-demographic goals means in a particular location we will give them goals, and by achieving that particular goals, they will just control the population. So the first point is first goal basically. So the first goal is to address the need for basic reproductive and child health services. We will have to fulfill the need of mother and child. Every mother and every child in a particular area, we will have to fulfill their needs, and for fulfilling their needs we will need supplies and infrastructure. So we will have to focus on this point. So then next point is make school education up to 14 years free and compulsory. We have to just provide them education free, and the education have to be compulsory up to at least 14 years. Okay, we will make sure that every children is educating up to 14 years at least. Next point is reduce infant mortality rate. Okay, infant death rate, and the ratio will be 30 per 1000 live birth. Okay, and below 30 per 1000 live birth actually. And reduce maternal mortality rate, maternal death rate, the ratio will be below 100 per 10,000 live births. Okay, means if they are having 10,000 live births, then if 10,000 mother are getting they are getting pregnant and they are giving childbirth, then we will make sure below 100 is the number of maternal mortality. Okay, the next point is achieve universal immunization of all children against all vaccine preventable diseases. Okay, so we will provide them universal immunization to all children. The next one is promote delayed marriage for girls after 18 years. Okay, after 18 years every girl will get married. We will have to make sure that. Okay, so the rest of the topics I will upload on my next video. Okay, thank you.